Welcome to Lecture 12 of Remote Selling Success. Today, let's look at how can we make our Zoom meetings interesting. We all know that you need to prime the audience, prepare the stage. I let people know what time to come in so they are more prepared. And in my Zoom, I set the gallery view so I can see all my audience faces at one go. Third is that I must know my next point so that my presentation will be smooth and interesting. And I cannot have silences in between because in Zoom, a silence can be heard as a breakdown in Zoom. And fifth and most importantly, I must look into the camera and not at my slides. People told me they love physical meetings because there is food, there is music, you can ask questions easily, you can refer to your handouts, you can multitask, and there are many activities like playing of games, stretching hands, and that kind of things. You're not on camera all the time. But in reality, you can actually replicate all of them in Zoom. People told me you can replicate food. I actually deliver food to my audience house. And I allow people to move about. We have breaks in between, we do stretching exercises. And I do not insist that people are on camera all the time. In fact, they're only on camera at the beginning and during in between for question and answers. And at the end of it, during the seminar, during the training, they can switch off the camera. When people are not on camera, they feel more relaxed and they can just focus on the slides. And I also email them the handouts in advance. You can print out and refer to them. Zoom has many added benefits. There are nothing to travel, you save on parking hazards, you do not need to dress up and be impressive. You can eat during Zoom meetings. There's no cost of venue to you and the organizer, and there's no risk of you being sold by the people there. And most importantly, you can be at 2 Zoom meetings at the same time. In fact, to me, Zoom allows me to meet anyone, anywhere in the world at zero cost. That's right, I have closed a person all the way from Mauritius, and she attended my Zoom seminar and she purchased our product and services. So Zoom allows me to reach out to markets far, far away. In fact, I even had a conversation with someone from USA. She attended our Zoom seminar. The question people often ask is, how can we be passionate in Zoom meetings? The secret lies in never look at the audience videos. Always look into the camera passionately. When you look into the camera passionately, people feel that you're looking at them, when in fact you are just looking at the camera. And you need to have vocal variety and body language. You need to have high and low pitch, slow and fast speaking, and you must move your hands, your facial expression so that you'll be more animated. In other words, you do as though you're in a real physical meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the ways to make Zoom meetings interesting.